Lafayette County in south central Wisconsin, northwestern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, Greene County in south central Wisconsin, until 1 a.m. At 11:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northwest of Blanchardville, or 9 miles east of Dodgeville, moving southeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fitchburg, Stoughton, Verona, Oregon, Mount Horace, Edgerton, Evansville, Brodhead, Mineral Point, Belleville, New Glarus, Brooklyn, Monticello, Albany, Argyle, Blanchardville, Fulton, Albion, Barneville, and Blue Mounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no weather.